Hello everyone, this is Lucy from Lvxin Packaging. Today I'd like to show you a new packaging portrait for body care product. Look at this one. This is made from sugarcane paper with black toner and producing by wet pressing process. You can see the surface is very smooth and beautiful, and the other side has nice texture. Let me assemble it to show you. You can see the insert can fit the product very well. Also can fit the outer box very perfect because our designer designed the inner cavity according to the actual product or 3D drawing. If you are interested in our product, you can feel free to contact us. We can provide the customized sewing and free design solution. Our product packaging can be biodegradable within 3 months because our material is recyclable. Thanks for your watching. See you. Bye bye.